Hi guys, how are you? So I want to present you the Coquihalla Road, Coquihalla Mountain Pass. I'm going on Highway 5. That's Coquihalla Highway going to Vancouver. I'm 300 kilometers away from Vancouver. High mountain region. This is a high mountain road. Yeah, Coquihalla, highway through hell, as you may know it. Mate, I don't know, it was known through that series on Discovery Channel about those guys that they are recovering trucks from the ditches in the winter. Coquihalla, highway through hell, highway 5, yeah. This is summer, but still the weather is not like a summer. It's like a spring or autumn, 15 degrees Celsius, and the sky, it's not clear, lots of clouds. But this is Coquihalla. It's not the place where you want to be in the winter if you don't like to drive on snow and ice that much. So if you don't want to be in trouble, don't come here in the winter. If you want to be in trouble, come here in the winter. Because no matter how much experience you have on snow and ice, the road can get to you if you are not, and if you are not lucky. Lots of factors can combine and make your trip one of the worst ones. Yeah. Like my father used to say, you don't have to do something wrong twice, so the second time you will not have the opportunity to do it if the first time will be a bad one. So no mistakes are allowed in driving. Yeah, you have to keep your eyes open on all the time and make it safe. Better safe than sorry. Like a guy, an older truck driver was telling me, going down slowly didn't kill anyone with the truck. Going down the mountain fast, that put in danger, jeopardize many drivers. So enjoy the road. It will be more spectacular in the winter, but still has some nice views. Let me check. The elevation is 1,100 meters, so I think it will go higher than that. Yesterday, on my way from Banff to here, I was at donkey. It's not a horse. No horsepower, just donkey's power. Because I'm light and still doesn't pull as much as I would want to. No V8s they have in North America like in Europe. No V8s. Here in North America you don't know what's a V8 with 770 horsepower. Not even on a custom order, a special order, you cannot have an engine like that here in North America. Scania, Volvo, they have such an engine, and it's not a special order, that's a normal order. Coquihalla. I would wish for the weather to be better, nicer, sunny. But it is what it is. Coquihalla again. I don't want to repeat that too much, but I did. I bet in these woods they have grizzlies, yeah? You have grizzlies in these woods or not? Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe and like. Yeah. You are watching my videos and you are not a subscriber. Why? It's free. It's still free. I don't know how long I can keep